Hello friends, welcome back to Cool IT Help. In this tutorial session, we are going to install R and RStudio on Mac OS Sonoma. You can use the same process for the other operating system of Mac, right? Let's begin. So we have the first step in which we will download the R setup and then we will see the installation. Please copy this link from the description, go to the browser and paste this link in the address bar. Press enter and then you will see the official R download website. And here we have the link like download R for macOS. Click on it. Then you will see this page. On this page we have two different links for the package to download. First one is for the Silicon M1, M2, M3 based Mac machines, and the second is for the Macs based on the Intel chips, right? So I have the M2 chip on my Mac, so I will click on the first link. Okay, the downloading is started. We have to wait for the downloading completion. Okay friends, downloading is done. Now I have to go inside the download folder. Okay, here we got a PKG file. Simply double click on it and then you will see a pop-up box, right? So we have to fix this problem. What we need to do, we will go to the Apple icon, just click, go to the system settings and then come to the privacy and the security option. Now on the right hand side, just scroll down and come to the security option. And at this place you can see a message like this package is blocked because of this is not downloaded from the App Store, right? No worries, simply click on this open anyway to proceed. This will ask you for the Mac password. Please enter your Mac password here. And now click on the modify settings to proceed. Again you will see a pop-up, click open and that installer is launched. And see, this is the first screen. Click continue and this is the information what packages are going to be installed, right? Our framework, our app and other things, those are mentioned here. Also it is showing the minimum requirement to install the R. Click continue. Then we will reach at the software license agreement. You can read it carefully and proceed. Click continue and this will again show you a pop-up box like you are agree on the license agreement. So click on this agree button and now this will show you how much space is required. Click install and again it will ask you for your Mac password. Please enter and then click on the install software and wait for a few seconds. And finally we will get a message like the installation was successful. Now we can close it. This will show you a pop-up message like you need that package or you want to send to the bin. Click OK and that package file will be deleted from the download folder. Okay friends, so we have downloaded and installed the R. Let's verify it. So go to the Launchpad and we will search here the icon. Here it is. Just click to launch and that R console will be opened. Here we can write some script. You can see the version and other details as well. So we will simply write a print statement trying to print something here like print hello cool IT help. In case if you have a script ready, you can simply paste it and press enter. So that statement is executed successfully. So friends, if you want to quit or exit, simply type Q and the parenthesis and press enter. That will be exit from the place. So we have executed the R script from the R console. Now you can run the R script from the terminal as well. Let's do it. Open the terminal. And here you have to type capital R, press enter, and then you will see the R console will be activated here. Now you can simply write your script statements and test it. I'm going to simply print one liner here, like installation is successful. Okay, execution is successfully done. And if you want to exit from the R console, simply type the same thing, Q and the parenthesis. Okay, this way we can exit from the R console. I hope you guys clear till now. Okay friends, so we have seen the downloading and installation of the R in this step 1. Let's proceed to the RStudio downloading and installation. Okay, please copy the link given in the description and open the new tab and paste this URL in the address bar. And then you will reach at the website POSIT, which is the official download website for the RStudio. Click on the link and then here you will see the RStudio ID details. And again we have another button, download RStudio. Just click on it and we will reach at this place. So here both R and RStudio setup given, but we have already completed the step 1. We will proceed with the RStudio, and this is the link for the Mac OS. Those who have the Mac OS greater than 12 can proceed with this one. If you have the Mac OS version below than 12, then you have to click on this link and choose the different version of the RStudio, right? So right now on my Mac I have the latest operating system, so I will proceed with the link. Just click on it and the downloading will start. Okay friends, once the downloading is completed, you have to go inside the downloads folder and then you will find the DMG file. So now to launch it, we have to double click on this DMG file. Okay, and then you will see this kind of pop-up box and the application folder link and one RStudio icon. So the process is very simple. We have to simply drag and put this R icon on top of that applications folder icon. So once you drag and drop the RStudio icon on the application icon, you will get a message pop-up box, and soon this will be copied inside the applications folder. Now we will go inside the applications folder. Here we will find the RStudio. To launch it, just double click on this icon. And again you will get the same pop-up box from the Mac security. Again we have to follow the same process. Go to the Apple icon, system settings, then just scroll down and go to the privacy and security. Now on the right hand side, scroll down and come to the security section. Here you can see the message and click open anyway. Now again give the Mac password, click on the modify settings and click on the open. That's it. And then you will see the splash screen of the R. And quickly the RStudio ID will be opened in front of you. On the left hand side, the R console is opened. Right hand side, we have the terminal as well. You can execute some commands on the terminal as well. Now let's write some statement on the console and execute it. So I'm going to proceed with the statement, simple statement, print a statement, welcome in RStudio, and press enter. Statement executed successfully. On this RStudio, we have the other things as well, like environment and the history. Whenever you will execute any command, and that history will be maintained under this tab. We have the connections tab, we have the tutorials tab as well. So if you want to refer some tutorial, you can go to this tab and check it. When you come on the downside, here we have the files tab. This is the file explorer and showing the folders on my system. And then we have the plots tab, packages, help, viewers, and presentation. So if you want to go through some documents resources, you can go inside the help and click on the links and read it. Okay, let's create a R script. To create a new R script file, simply click on this plus button, or you can simply go through this place as well. And let's save this script with the extension .r. Select the location where you want to save the script. Great. Click save button. And now you can write your script statements here. Suppose I have a toPrinter statement. I'm just writing it here. So friends, two statements are ready and we will see how to run it. We have the buttons for the previous execution. Also, we have a button to execute the single line of statement. You can select that line or code script portion, you can run it. So once you put a cursor on the line number 2 and you will hit the run, so only the second line will be executed. Correct? If you want to run both statements, then simply select both statement like this here in this file. Select it and click on a run. Then you will find both statement will be executed. So friends, we have seen the R and RStudio installation on macOS Sonoma. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this tutorial and you can subscribe to learn more.